How to download the Hulu app on your TV.
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll guide you through the process of accessing and downloading the Hulu app on your television. Having Hulu on your TV offers you an incredible viewing experience, and you're just a few steps away from it.
Is my TV compatible?
Before we start, it's essential to determine whether your TV is compatible with the Hulu app. Most modern smart TVs come with app stores or platforms that include popular apps like Hulu. Brands like Samsung, LG, Vizio, and Sony have their respective app stores.
Accessing the TV's app store.
1. Turn on your TV. 2. Using your TV remote, navigate to the main menu or home screen. 3. Look for the App Store or Application section on your TV's interface. This might be labeled as Apps, App Store, Smart Hub, or something similar.
Searching for the Hulu app.
1. Once inside the App Store, locate the search bar. 2. Type in Hulu and press the search or enter button on your remote. 3. The Hulu app should appear in the search results. If it doesn't, it might not be available for your TV model or region.
Downloading and installing.
1. Select the Hulu app from the search results. 2. There should be an option to download or install the app. Select this option. 3. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. It might take a few minutes depending on your TV's internet connection.
Logging in and streaming.
1. After installation, open the Hulu app. 2. If you already have a Hulu account, you can log in with your credentials. If not, you might need to create an account using a computer or mobile device first. 3. Once logged in, you can browse and stream your favorite shows and movies. That's it. You're all set to enjoy Hulu on your TV. We hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. Happy streaming, and until next time.